Okay, good morning children. Fourth chapter, last topic. Fourth chapter continuation. Plant kingdom. Yesterday class we discussed about the angiosperms. Angiosperms characters, angiosperms groups, monocotyledons, dicotyledons, and characteristic features of the angiosperms. Yesterday class, last topic of the fourth chapter. Plant life cycles and alternations of generations. Plant life cycles and alternations of generations. Plant life cycles and alternations of generations. Here you can see some of the generations. You can see in algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Some of the generations you can see: saprophytic generation and gametophytic generation. So like that you heard some words: saprophytic, gametophytic, okay, gametogenesis, syngamy, zygote, meiosis. So like that you have heard some words now. So some plants having a particular life cycle. Bryophytes having particular life cycle. Pteridophytes having particular life cycle. Algae having particular life cycle. Seed bearing plants having particular life cycle. So here mainly life cycles and alternations of generations. Here especially given only three types. The first one, haplontic cycle. Okay. Haplontic cycle. Second one, diplontic cycle. In the diplontic, another one is there. Diplontic cycle. Okay. Diplontic cycle. Diplohaplantic in that. Diplohaplantic. Okay. Third one, haplodiplantic. Okay, haplantic cycle. ఏకస్థితిక జీవిత చక్రం అన్నది. హాప్లాంటిక్ అంటే ఏకస్థితిక జీవిత చక్రం. హాప్లాంటిక్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్ అంటే ఏకస్థితిక. డిప్లాంటిక్ అంటే ద్వయస్థితిక. హాప్లోడిప్లాంటిక్ అంటే ఏక ద్వయస్థితిక జీవిత చక్రాలని మనకు కూడా జరిగింది ఇక్కడ మెయిన్గా. ఫస్ట్ మరి హాప్లాంటిక్ సైకిల్ అంటే హాప్లాంటిక్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్ గురించి. హాప్లాంటిక్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్, మరి వాట్ ఈజ్ హాప్లాంటిక్ లైఫ్ సైకిల్? ఎస్పెషల్లీ in this Atlantic life cycle, especially in this Atlantic life cycle, zygote undergoes meiotic division. Zygote undergoes meiotic division and produce spores. Zygote undergoes meiotic division and can produce spores, which are haploid spores. Zygote సంయుక్త బీజము శేఖరణ విభజన ద్వారా ఏకస్థితిక సిద్ధ బీజాలను స్పోర్ట్స్ ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తుంది. సో దీస్ హాప్లాయిడ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ డివైడ్ మైటాటికల్లీ. These haploid spores divide mitotically. These haploid spores సమవిభజన ద్వారా they can produce gametophyte. These spores divide due to the process of mitosis and they can produce gametophyte. Which is haploid. Okay. which is haploid, zygote to diploid, haploid. Okay. So finally, gametophyte is the main important stage. See once again, zygote undergoes meiotic division, they can produce spores. Zygote undergoes meiotic division, that can produce spores. These spores again divided in mitotic division. ఈ స్పోర్ట్స్ మళ్ళీ సమవిభజన ద్వారా గామెటోఫైట్ను ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయి. దీని స్పోర్ట్స్ హాప్లాయిడ్ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీన్స్ n. These haploid spores divide mitotically and finally produce gametophyte, which is haploid. Gametophyte also haploid. This gametophyte is the dominant stage. This gametophyte is the photosynthetic dominant multicellular stage of the some organisms. So some organisms life cycle start from gametophyte only. So gametophyte is the main dominant stage of their life cycle. So that type of the life cycle is called haplontic life cycle. వేటిలో అయితే గామెటోఫైట్ అనేది ప్రధాన దశగా ఉంటుందో, ప్రధాన జీవిత చక్ర దశగా ఉంటుందో మనం దాన్ని హాప్లాంటిక్ సైకిల్ చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. సో గామెటోఫైట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ డామినెంట్ photosynthetic generation. So that type of the organisms are called haplontic life cycles. Especially for examples, algae, mostly algae. In that algae, especially wallworks, algae lo types nadi. Algae lo wallworks, chlamydomonas, wallworks, chlamydomonas, spirogyra. These three are the examples of the algae which can start their life from gametophyte. So their life cycle is called haplontic life cycle. Haplontic life cycle you can see in some of the algae, wallworks, chlamydomonas, spirogyra. These are the three algae. In these three algae, gametophyte is the main stage of their life cycle. So that life cycle is called haplontic life cycle. Haplontic cycle. Gametophyte is only haploid condition. Gametophyte should be in haploid condition. Only single number of chromosomes only there. Yeah? So the gametophyte stage is the main stage of their life cycle. Gametophyte stage is the main stage of their generation. So that's why that is called haploid life cycle. Haploid life cycle contain only gametophyte. The gametophyte is the main stage of their generation. Best examples: wallworks, chlamydomonas, spirogyra. These three are algae. This is the haplontic cycle. ఏకస్థితిక జీవిత చక్రం. Especially you can remember gametophyte. Gametophyte is the main stage in their generation. Okay. So zygote undergoes meiotic division, produces spores, haploid spores. Haploid spores divide mitotically and finally they can produce gametophyte, which is also haploid. Gametophyte is also haploid. Gametophyte is also haploid. So this type of generation is called haplontic life cycle. Okay. Next, diplontic. What is the diplontic cycle? In this diplontic cycle, sporophyte is the dominant multicellular photosynthetic stage. Sporophyte. No gametophyte, only sporophyte. Sporophyte, which is diploid. So the diploid sporophyte is the dominant stage. Photosynthetic multicellular sporophyte. Sporophyte is a multicellular photosynthetic and dominant stage of their life cycle. So they are called diplontic cycle. So in this diplomatic cycle mainly they contain sporophyte. Sporophyte is the main stage. Sporophyte is the main dominant stage of their life cycle. So that type of the life cycle is called diplomatic life cycle. So the aplantic stage we can see only in gametes. In this diplomatic cycle, gametes, in the gametes only we can see haploid condition. Remaining all diploid condition only. Only the gametes. Only in the gametes we can find haploid condition. Remaining total diploid condition only. So diploid sporophyte is the main stage of their generation. Diploid sporophyte is the main stage of their life cycle. So that life cycle is called diplomatic life cycle. Okay. Total diploid conditions only you can see. Except gametes. Gametes contain haploid condition. So that is called diplomatic life cycle. But what is diplohaploidic? Diplomatic cycle example, pteridophytes. Pteridophytes and all seed bearing plants. Best example, pteridophytes. Pteridophytes and all seed bearing plants. All seed bearing plants. All seed bearing plants, especially pteridophytes. Okay. These are having diplomatic life cycle. But in that diplohaploid, one is there. In diplomatic, one type is there. Diplohaploidic. Diplohaploidic means if gametophyte is formed with few or more cells. If the gametophyte is formed with few or more cells, that is called diplohaploidic. In that only. If the gametophyte is formed with few or more cells, if the gametophyte is formed with few or more cells, that is called diplohaploidic. Examples write down: pteridophytes and seed bearing plants. Both are examples: pteridophytes and seed bearing plants. Okay. What is diplohaploidic? Gametophyte is formed with few or more cells. That is called diplohaploidic. But what is the diplomatic stage? Sporophyte is the main stage of their life cycle. That is called diplomatic life cycle. Only haploidic cycle you can see in gametes only. Okay. Now coming to the third one. What is haplodiplomatic? Best example, bryophytes. Haplodiplomatic best example. Haplodiplomatic best example, bryophytes. In bryophytes, they are having two alternate generations. One is dominant gametophyte. One is dominant gametophyte. And another one is dependent sporophyte. Okay, bryophytes, they can show two types of the alternative of generations. One is dominant gametophyte, which is haploid, and dependent sporophyte, which is diploid. Both haploid gametophyte stage is there, diploid sporophyte is there. So that's why this is called what? Haplodiplomatic. Especially bryophytes, they are having haploid gametophyte, diploid sporophyte. They are having both generations. Haploid generation is what? Gametophyte. Diploid generation is what? Sporophyte. So haploid, diploid both are called haplodiplomatic life cycle. Best example, all bryophytes. Haplodiplomatic life cycle you can see in all bryophytes. Okay. We take diagrams of with them. Diagrams there. Note down the main points, examples, definitions. Okay, continuation. Diagrams there. First, Haplontic cycle. Haplontic cycle. Right, Sana? The main what first main zygote. Zygote. What is the condition? Diploid. Diploid zygote. Zygote undergoes what? Zygote undergoes meiotic division, meiosis. Zygote undergoes meiotic division and produce what? Spores. Spores undergo meiotic division. First zygote. Zygote undergoes meiotic division and produces spores. Spores divide mitotically and form gametophyte. Gametophyte is end. Spores also end. Gametophyte. Gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. Syngamy. Finally, zygote. Syngamy zygote. This is haploid. Okay, haploid. Diploid. Two R marks there. Okay, next diploid. Planting. First sporophyte here. Sporophyte. Sporophyte. 2N. Diploid sporophyte. Okay. Diploid life cycle. Last right. Zygote 2N. Diploid. Diploid cycle. Next Haplontic. Haplontic, diplomatic, haplodiplomatic. Haplodiplomatic. Haplodiplomatic especially sporophyte. Sporophyte, meiosis division. Produce spores. Spores, gametogenesis. Gametophyte. Gametophyte. Gametogenesis. Syngamy. Zygote. Case is not sufficient. Syngamy, zygote. Zygote is converted into sporophyte 2n, gametophyte n, spores n, zygote 2n. Okay, syngamy after zygote, zygote after sporophyte. So this is haplodiplomatic life cycle. So these are the three life cycles. Okay, one is haplontic cycle, second diplomatic, third one haplodiplomatic cycle. In this haplontic, zygote undergo meiotic division, produce spores. Spores divide meiotic division, produce gametophyte. The gametophyte is the dominant stage. Again, the gametophyte produce the gametes. The gametes are fused, they can form zygote. Again, the cycle is completed. But here, sporophyte is the dominant stage. Okay, sporophyte is the dominant stage. Okay, we can see sporophyte is the diploid stage. Diploid. Haploid stage here you can see only gametes. Near the gametes only you can see haploid stage. Remaining total diploid stage only, that is diplomatic life cycle. Here haplodiplomatic. Here you can see diploid sporophyte condition, haploid gametophyte condition. Both are there. Sporophyte, gametophyte both there. Okay. Diploid sporophyte stage is there. Haploid gametophyte is there. So this haplodiplomatic life cycle. Example bryophytes. Okay. So this is about the life cycles of the plants and alternations of generations. Okay. So this is the last topic completed. Next tomorrow class we are going to start second chapter, 5th unit. Second unit, 5th chapter. Morphology, second unit, 5th chapter. Morphology of flowering plants. Okay, thank you children.